Hello children, today we are going to complete the 12th chapter. You know the name of the chapter. What is the name of the chapter? Vriksharopan. That means tree planting. That means planting trees. Isn't it? वृक्ष का आरोपण करना. That means वृक्षारोपण मतलब वृक्षों को लगाना. Okay. So in this chapter you know that here we can see the importance of trees. Okay. Importance of planting trees. You know that the trees are very essential for for us, isn't it? It gives us fresh air. It gives what you call the environment, fresh air. Not only that, it gives us fruits and what you call fruits and flowers. So it's very essential to keep the forest areas in our country, isn't it? And that means on the earth. So this chapter, here in this chapter, we are we are studying about the forest area, the importance of trees, the what you call the bad effects of deforestation, etc. Through a story. Actually, it's a story of two brothers, बलराम और श्याम, है ना. वो कैसे थे बलराम और श्याम? बहुत ही मेहनती थे, very hard working brothers they were. And Shyam was very what you call having good character. He was a nature lover. Okay, so he bought a farm in Mysore Road and he planted many saplings there in his farm, isn't it? Saplings of different flowers. And as he had to go to Japan, and he said to his elder brother to take care of his farm and plants. But his elder brother neglected the farm and he built a what you call a beautiful artistic hut there in the farm. Okay, and he thought that maybe here after when he returns, when his brother returns from Japan, he will be very happy to see this beautiful hut. Okay, but nothing happened like that. Okay, we'll find out what happened. You know that उसे क्या हुआ? जब श्याम वापस आया तब उसने उसके पौधों की अवस्था देखकर, मतलब स्थिति देखकर उसे बहुत दुख हुआ. Felt so bad seeing his condition of his plants, isn't it? All the plants got dry there in the farm. So let us see what's happening next. Okay, are you ready? Okay, now we'll read next paragraph, page number 81. Okay, so उसे दुखी देखकर सब दुखी हो गए. When Shyam returned to India from Japan after 2 years, he became so sad. He was so sad to see the condition of the trees, isn't it? Then trees and plants of the farm. उसे दुखी देखकर सब दुखी हो गई. उसकी family members also everyone became sad. Seeing the sad expression of Shyam, everyone became sad. Okay. उसकी भतीजी ने पूछा. उसकी भतीजी कौन होती है? नीज. उसकी नीज ने पूछा, एक लड़की है वहाँ, उसके रिलेटिव है, नीज है. तो उसने क्या पूछा? उसने पूछा, she asked him, चाचा जी आप खुश नहीं हुए? अंकल you are not happy? What happened to you? Why you are not happy? खुश नहीं हुए क्या? नहीं, उसने उत्तर दिया. He answered, no, I am not happy. क्यों? Then she asked, she wants to know the reason. She is asking like, why? क्यों? क्योंकि फार्म तो पेड़ पौधों से भरा होना चाहिए, परंतु यहाँ तो कुछ भी नहीं है. He said the reason why he is so sad. He said that it's because of this that I can't see any plants, any trees, any flowers in the farm. Farm means it must be filled with हरा भरा. That means हरा भरा होना filled with what? It must be filled with the plants, with the flowers, isn't it? But I can't see anything like that here. All the plants got dry, isn't it? So I'm very sad. पेड़ पौधे नहीं है तो क्या हुआ? भतीजी ने कहा. भतीजी told that, niece told to him, what's the why you are this much sad? What's the matter? If there is no tree, no plant here, then what will happen? Nothing will happen, like that. So she told like that. To whom श्याम से ऐसा कहा. Then श्याम said to her like this, तू जानती भी है कि क्या बोल रही है? तू जानती भी है क्या बोल रही है? So what's the mean by that? Shyam is asking that, do you know what you're saying? You are saying that plants are not essential for us, no? So, do you know about it? मनुष्यानि हम सबका अस्तित्व वृक्षों से है. अस्तित्व means अस्तित्व, existence, existence of human beings, existence of this earth. It depends on the plants, the trees. Okay, he told to niece like this. भतीजी ने चाचा जी को बाहर की तरफ ले जाते हुए कहा, छोड़िए चाचा जी, मनुष्य का अस्तित्व तो उसके परिवार से होता है. देन भतीजी ने क्या किया, नीज ने क्या किया, चाचा जी को बाहर की तरफ ले जाते हुए ऐसा कहा. शी कॉल्ड हमारे चाचा जी मतलब श्याम, एंड शी टोल्ड दैट यू कम आउट विथ मी, एंड शी इज टेकिंग श्याम आउटसाइड, her uncle outside, and she told like this, छोड़िए चाचा जी, leave all these things, or don't say such things. मनुष्य का अस्तित्व, that means existence of human beings are actually depends on the human beings families, actually depends on the families. उसके परिवार से ही ऐसा होता है, उसका existence होता है, अस्तित्व होता है. Okay, we need to keep a good family. Okay, then we can survive here. Like that, who told? niece told to भतीजा, किससे? चाचा जी, अंकल से नीज ने ऐसा कहा. ओके, देन श्याम ने समझाते हुए कहा. देन श्याम टोल्ड, एक्सप्लेन्ड लाइक दिस टू हर. पेड़ पौधे ही मिट्टी की शक्ति को बनाए रखते हैं. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. यू डोंट इग्नोर द ट्रीज एंड प्लांट्स. पेड़ पौधे ही, trees and plants only keep the soil very strong, isn't it? These trees and plants, when we keep trees and plants on the earth, what will happen? The roots of these trees and plants will hold the soil firm, isn't it? And to keep the soil more strong. Then ये हमें आंधी तूफान से बचाते हैं. ये पेड़ पौधे हमें किससे बचाते हैं? They saves us from what, you know, the trees and plants save our life from the storm, the cyclone storm, isn't it? आंधी तूफान, storm. Okay, वातावरण को शुद्ध वायु से भरते हैं, and it fills the environment with pure air. Okay, तथा पर्यावरण को दूषित होने से बचाते हैं, and it saves this environment from pollution. दूषित होना, pollute होने से बचाते हैं. बचाना, to save. Okay, protects the environment from the pollution also, because you know that trees and plants will keep the oxygen level in the environment, isn't it? So thus we can say the trees and plants purifies what? The air, the environment, isn't it? वृक्षों से ही वर्षा संभव है. Not only that, the trees brings the rain, isn't it? रेन को लाने वाला मतलब वर्षा कौन लाता है? ये ट्रीज एंड प्लांट्स, पेड़ पौधे ही वर्षा लाते हैं. दैट मीन्स वर्षा इससे संभव है. भूकंप, बाढ़ आदि भी वृक्षों को काटने के कारण आते हैं. ये भूकंप, अर्थक्वेक, बाढ़ यानी क्या होते हैं? बाढ़, फ्लड, ये सब कैसे होते हैं? इनके कारण क्या है? वृक्षों को काटने के कारण. ऑल दीज डिसास्टर्स actually destroys this earth. Now also we can see, isn't it? 2 years back also, what we had experienced, this flood and भूकंप, ये सब आए. So इसके कारण क्या है? ये वृक्षों को काटना है ना. cutting down we are cutting the trees. That's the reason. Okay, it actually causes what? The disasters such as earthquakes and flood. Okay, now we'll move to the last paragraph. चाचा जी की बातें सुनकर भतीजी को सब समझ में आ गया. And now who understood everything? Yeah, भतीजी, niece understood everything while चाचा जी told everything to her, explained all these things, the importance of trees. Okay, she realized her mistake, what she said now. She told that, oh, these trees and plants are nothing. No need to keep all these things. Why you are so sad? Here is a beautiful hut for us to take rest, isn't it? But now, after hearing the words of uncle, Chacha ji, she understood. Yeah, trees are very essential for us. वो पेड़ पौधों के महत्व को समझ गई. She understood the importance of trees and plants. उसने कहा, she said, चाचा जी, मैं भी पौधे लगाऊंगी तथा रोज उन्हें पानी दूंगी. Uncle, I will also plant these trees. I will plant the saplings of flowers, trees, small plants, and I will water them. I will irrigate them. पानी देना, to give water, irrigate. अपने मित्रों को भी पेड़ पौधों के महत्व के बारे में बताऊंगी. I will tell to my friends also about the importance of trees and plants. Okay. वो चाचा जी के साथ मिट्टी खोद खोद कर जापान से लाए पौधों को प्यार से रोपने लगी. Yeah, then after saying this, she helped her chacha ji, uncle, to plant. She started to help her chacha ji to plant these saplings. What saplings he brought from Japan? Okay, he brought some saplings or small plants from Japan, isn't it? And he was planting these small saplings there, and she helped him. Okay, then भतीजी की बातें सुन श्याम अपना दुख भूल गया. Hearing his words, he became very happy. Shyam was so happy to hear this. सब खुशी खुशी गीत गाते हुए क्यारियां बनाने में जुट गए. Everyone, that means सब means both of them start to plant these small saplings in flower pots or there. And they were singing songs. Okay, songs also. They just enjoyed the situation. Okay, so do you like this story? Yeah, जुट जाना, to involve in something. Okay, involving in some work. You can see चाचा जी और भतीजी यहाँ कौन से काम में जुट गए हैं? पौधों को क्यारियां पौधों को लगाने में और क्यारियां बनाने में. क्यारी मीन्स फ्लावर पॉट्स बनाना, क्यारियां, isn't it? So खुशी खुशी, both happily, that means very happy. That means they were planting the small saplings and all very happily singing songs. Okay, so read the chapter very well, understand the words, meanings, etc. You know that the story is very beautiful story, a small story it is. मेहनती, hard working, isn't it? प्रकृति, nature, निवास, क्या है निवास? Home. कलात्मक, artistic. Nirman, construction. These are the difficult words. Bhukam, earthquake. So read all the exercises, meanings, synonyms, opposites. Okay, and study properly. Okay, then children, read the chapter 2 or 3 times. So we will see in next class. Okay, bye.